Oh, you're still eating?
My shirt is blue and my shoes is blue. And my shoes is blue. You want to try? Try it.
Come around.
Did you see that? Fireworks!
Are you okay? Is July okay? Oh, good job. You're not scared now?
The boat is like in fire now.
Si July still scared? Aww.
He's so cute if he's scared.
Oh, she's so cute when he's scared. When she's scared.
So, look at me. You love it?
Why the boat is took in a fire?
Oh, they need that.
Huh?
They need that.
Why they did that? Why they did that, Mommy?
To start up the fireworks. No, it's okay. It's okay. You don't need to scare Pigeon Lord. That is a fireworks. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Want me to cover your ears so it not be loud? I will cover your ears. It's okay.
That's
I
okay.
will cover your ears.
That's okay. Oh?
With this.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, just watch lang Kuya din sila. It's okay. It's okay.
It's just a firework.
It's just a fireworks. Nothing to scare.
Yeah, nothing to scare. Mommy, I think you're watching it on home.
It's not alive.
Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. We should put that in the video.
You join it,
Oh
but
my goodness.
yeah.
Oh. No way. It's getting higher. No, it's not done yet. Scared?
Oh, si July still scared.
It's okay.
On the boat. There's a boat in the water.
Just a minute. watch there on the playground? No?
Just stay here.
Why?
It's dark enough. If you will go lost, then I can't find you.
Well, Mommy, even if what I get lost, I have this though, Mommy. I have this.
No, that one.
Why? Wait, last time I almost lost you? Oh my gosh! Mommy,
Yay! Yay!